Security was tight in London as police kept two very different protests separate. In South Kensington, protesters gathered to commemorate the violent displacement of hundreds of thousands of Palestinians in 1948 by Israel, known as the Nakba, as well as protesting against racism.
We will always remember our home. The Nakba caused catastrophe for the Palestinian people. They displaced them, they killed them, they massacred them, and this has never stopped.
They are pirates. American, Britain, France and Germany and Israel. Simply pirates, land grabbing.
I am politically aware and I have a lot of experience with the NHS, and every nurse and doctor who's been an immigrant, absolutely lovely, really amazing at their job, and they wouldn't have an NHS without it.
Police had warned protesters ahead of the march that they would not be allowed to cover their faces, and some phrases such as "death to the IDF" would be banned. They held signs in support of Palestine and against racism and austerity, and called on the British Prime Minister to resign. In central London, a very different protest, but with one thing in common. Protesters here also wanted British Prime Minister Keir Starmer to step down. In a statement on Friday, Starmer had said the organisers of this march were peddling hatred and division.
And let Britain and the English people be the first. I'm 59 years old, I haven't done well myself, but my wages have gone right down.
Just want our politicians, whoever it may be, the ones we got now or the ones that we get in, I want them to think of us, the British, whether they're black, white, yellow or red.
Net zero is breaking us. We can't stand on our own 2 feet to provide energy for ourselves.
Are you going to join them on the forefront?
Far-right leader Tommy Robinson urged the crowd to get involved in politics ahead of the next general election, telling them they would lose their country if they did not. Camille Nedelec, Al Jazeera, London.
What do you have to say concerning this video? Drop your opinion. See you in the next one, and bye.